Hi, this is the Arcus 3D P1, and this video is about the light ring that is going to go right here. As you can see, I've got a little bit of a clearance issue here, so I had to make a light ring that had a gap in it. And the way I did this is use the same strip lights that I got going on inside of the main light ring, or not the main light ring, the movable light ring, and same orientation because I decided it was nicer to just leave them flat instead of cutting them into a bunch of strips. And then I just drilled a hole right through the housing, right into where it would mount there, and I soldered the ends back together, although I didn't really need to do that, and warped my PLA in the process because of the nice thermal conductivity of this strip, but it's good enough. So here's the bottom piece. Obviously the light isn't going to go this, oh yeah, sorry, it shines through here, but you'll see that in the end. The light isn't going to go this way for half of the stream because of the way they come out of the LEDs. So I made this little 45-degree angle ghetto reflector, and it's just PLA printed to fit right upside down, right here. And then there's little grooves that make it kind of snap on there, but it's good enough for now. So that's going to go on the inside of there. I actually tested if this would give me better diffusion, and it didn't really help. I mean, I've seen other people do it in the past where you stick this in there with the lights and it diffuses the light and looks a lot better, but not this case. So this is what it looks like. See if I get lucky and get the polarity right the first time. Yay, I did. Okay. So it is plenty bright enough, the lights go in the right direction. That PLA is 2 layers thick, so it's pretty transmissive. I actually got some better stuff in nylon that I'm going to try it with later, but because I imagine if I left this on for a solid 5 minutes, it would melt, because there's 7 LED strips in there to get this. So, I mean, it's a relatively good circle, even with the gap. So, I just got to glue it together and put it on the print head and move on. Thanks.